Hey brownies, welcome back to my channel. I am here to do a makeup video, you guys. So getting right into it, I am prepping my skin and all of this information will be down below. And you guys, I am going to be having an updated eyebrow tutorial. I'm going to show you guys like a baby sneak peek. And I will be having this next week for you guys. So hopefully you guys are excited for that. I am first putting concealer that is one shade lighter than my skin, and I am doing that at the high points of my face, and then afterwards I will be using a lighter concealer to actually do the highlighting. I like to do this technique because it helps me use less product on my face and it gives me a more natural look rather than like a caked, gross looking face, you know what I mean, you guys? So this is my holy grail. This is my baby, you guys. The Born This Way foundation. I am in love. Like, I'm in love. Like, this foundation is so lightweight and I love it. And then I'm going to bake using the L'OREAL Mercier translucent powder. And I'm going to let it sit while I go in and do my eyes. I like my eyes really minimal, you guys. This is supposed to be a everyday look. So I like something that's rose gold or even golden, and this is like the perfect type of look, you know what I mean? Just simple. Okay, so I am going to put some eyeliner. I like my eyeliner to be a bit bold because when I do lashes, it makes my eyes stand out a lot more. Dusting this off because I don't want to look ashy. And then I'm going to use my black Radiance press powder to contour my face. I like to use their brush in there because I feel like it gives me a more angular look to my face because, you know, my cheeks are a little bit tubby, you know what I mean? And then I also use a smaller brush to get my nose. And do you guys notice your girl's got a piercing now on her nose? Then I'm going to use my e.l.f. brush to just blend everything into place. I like to do this so it looks natural. Here I am using the Kiss lashes. This is in the style Lacey, and I love these lashes. They're just perfect and fluffy and just like, yes girl. Then I'm going to use Covergirl Outlast All Day lip color. This is in the color Spice Latte. Now with this color, you guys, it can look a little bit gray on the lips, so I would suggest not to use too much on your lip. Then I'm going to set everything off with my MAC setting spray. After that is done drying, I'm going to use my Hello Halo hard candy highlighting cream thingy-majiggy. I love this stuff. It like illuminates my face so much. And you guys, there you have it. That is my look. Very nice and simple. I love this for everyday wear, like when I just want a little bit more extra glam to my regular face, you know what I mean? And it just gets you feeling like, you know, it makes you feel like you're scrumptious, you know? So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys all in my next video. Stay awesome and stay blessed, you guys. I love you all.